Start record. All right, so thanks guys for hanging out, like I said, on Friday night with me. We got the 2011 Crown Royal box number 8 tonight at 10/28/11. And so let's go ahead and get started. We got Trent, George. We got Bonnie. Nice to see Eric A. Bonnie again. Anthony. Bonnie. A whole bunch of Trent. Vinny, Bonnie, and some more Trent. So good luck, everybody. Like I said, glad you're here with me. So let's go ahead and bust this box, and that serial number is... There we go. Ending in 87. So that number is for Reggie Wayne. So like I said, thanks for everybody joining. Like I said, the recording of the videos are going to be up tonight, if not early tomorrow. I apologize. I can only imagine it's getting late for you guys. It's getting late for me too. We got an empty box right there. We got a checklist right here. I'll keep that handy. And that one feels kind of heavy, so we'll do that one last. And here we go. So like I said, I have another box of Crown Royal spots are up now. Topps Chrome spots are almost gone. Let me check and see real quick how many Chrome spots we have left. And like I said, I'm up for busting a little bit of everything. So we got Group A, Group B, Group E, Jags and Lions and Patriots. So not that many, about 6 spots left in the Topps Chrome, and we'll bust those out too. So good luck, everybody. And here we go. So let me get the video up. All right. So we have Donnie Jones for the Bengals, Knights of the Gridiron, and for the 49ers, Patrick Willis. And that's a jersey card there for the Niners. Let's see who had that. Eric A. And that is numbered 247 of 299. Good deal. Nice hit, brother. Then a nice AJ Green rookie royalty. And for the Steelers, we got Marcus Gilbert. And then a Chris Johnson, Kings of the NFL, and a Jamal Charles base card. So that's pack number 1. Then we have Maurice Jones-Drew for the Falcons, and then we have a nice old redemption. So this is a royalty signature materials card number 19. Let's find out exactly what that is. So it's a royalty signature material. Royalty shit, excuse me. Royalty signature material. So royalty number 19. Okay, that's not rookie royalty, but it's regular royalty. So that's going to be Ken Anderson. It was 1 away from Dan Marino. So sorry. There we go. Number 19, royalty 19, Ken Anderson. So let's see who Ken Anderson played for last. Let's see. Anderson. No way. NFL. I think Ken Anderson played for... He last played for Old Schooler. Looks like he played for the Bengals. So that card goes to the Bengals. The Ken Anderson royalty signature material. So I bet you that'll be a really nice card, though. It's a nice hit for the Bengals. Who do we have on the Bengals? We got Anthony L. It's a nice hit, brother. All right, rest of the cards in the pack. We got a Michael Vick, Majestic. We have a Virgil Green for the Bronx. We have a Noshawn Moreno for the Bronx. And a Nate Washington for the Titans. Next pack here. Looks like a thick one. Ooh, this could be nice. So then we have a Ryan Terrain, and then this card is all sideways and whatnot. Nice for the Broncos. A Tim Tebow, Majestic. It's like a cut, and that's a patch. It's a really nice patch, and that is numbered 49 out of 50. So another nice hit, and that'll go to Bonnie. Antonio Gates, and that's Evan Royster for the Redskins. A nice All-Pro of James Harrison for the Steelers, and Chad Ochocinco. So last pack, this should be an auto. Fingers crossed. And it is an auto. So we got a nice Greg Little right there. And the auto is nice. Santonio Holmes. And that's a patch. Santonio Holmes for the Jets. So who had the Jets? Bonnie had the Jets. And that is numbered. Wow. It's numbered 9 of 10. So nice hit there, Bonnie. 9 of 10. Santonio Holmes in the zone. So two nice old school autos there. Living Legends, we got the Cardinals. And we got Baron Batch for the Steelers. Sorry, getting too close. Let me tell you about Keith Jackson for the Packers. And a Thomas Brady. So thank you guys for getting into that. Some nice mix-up of patches and old school autos. So that was Topps Chrome number 8, I believe. And so I have the box of, I have one more of these, and it's up right now for sale. All the spots are up. I got the Chrome up, and so let's see where we stand.